How to change Twitter sensitive content settings. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Twitter sensitive content settings. Now it's quite simple and quite easy. Simply open up the Telegram app and you'll get an interface like this. Make sure you're logged into your account. And once you log in, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen that you can see. And once you type it, you'll get an interface like this. Now at the bottom left of your screen, you can see the settings and support option. Simply tap on it and tap on settings and privacy, and here you'll be headed right here. Now you can see various options right here. The first option you can see your account, security and account access. Second one, Twitter Blue. Third one, monetization. Fourth one, and the last or the fifth one, you can see privacy and safety. Simply tap on privacy and safety, and here you can see the content you see option, the third one. Simply open it up, content you see, and here you can see display media that may contain sensitive content. This is the actual Twitter sensitive content settings. You can enable this if you want to see the sensitive contents, or you can disable this if you don't want to see sensitive contents. So this way you can change Twitter sensitive content settings. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.